welcome back to our channel. Today's class I am going to teach about how to write the test bench Verilog HDL code for half subtractor. So previous video we discussed the same code in normal Verilog HDL code. If you need it, kindly refer the video. Now we move on the session. So first I draw the block diagram for half subtractor. It's a simple block diagram. Half subtractor. So it has two inputs, A and B. So these two variables are assigned as an input variable and it provides two outputs. So one namely called as borrow and another one namely called as difference. So it's a simple block diagram. So in this block diagram we have two input variables A and B. It produces the two outputs borrow and difference. Now I write the truth table. So truth table for half subtractor. A and B is the input variable and borrow difference. So it's a output variable. So these two input variable making four combinations of input 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. So A minus B, 0 minus 0, difference 0, borrow 0. So next input 0 minus 1. So A minus 1, 0 minus 1, there is no possibility. We need to get the borrow. So borrow value 1 and difference is 1. Then come to the third input 1 minus 0. Here difference 1, borrow 0. 1 minus 1, difference 0, borrow 0. It's a truth table for half subtractor. So now I am going to write the test bench code for half subtractor. So first you write module. So module name is test. So it's a module name. So after writing the module name, declaring the input variables and output variable. So already I told input variables are declared as register, output variables are declared as vir. So reg A comma B. So it's a declaration of input variable. Then vir borrow comma difference. So first declare the input variable, then declare the output variable. So next declaration of instantiations. So half subtractor. So it's a module name. So while you writing the Verilog HDL program, there you mention the module name. So that name declare here. So half subtractor DUT. So DUT represent device under test. So within a bracket mention the input variable and output variable. So here output variable is borrow, difference, input variables are A comma B. So after declaring this statement, then come to initial, then begin. So begin the operation. Now assigning the input variables based on the truth table. So first input variable is A value 0, B value 0. So A equal to 0, B equal to 0. So after 10 nanosecond, the output response will display on the screen. So display A equal to percentage of B. So it's a binary digit. B value also percentage of B, not a C, it's a borrow, so percentage of B, then difference equal to percentage of D. So A comma B comma borrow comma difference. So after 10 nanoseconds, it change the A value and B value, then it reflect in the result, borrow and difference. So before that here, so here we can write the two instruction for a simulation purpose. Dump5 test.vcd. So it's a file name for a simulation. Then dump variables 1. So these two test statement declare below the begin statement. So first input is over, then come to the second input. So A value 0, B value 1. So after 10 nanosecond, change the output response. So using the display command, the output will show on the monitor. So B equal to percentage of B, then borrow B or borrow equal to percentage of B, difference equal to percentage of B, then A comma B comma borrow comma difference. Then come to the third input, A value 1, B value 0. So A equal to 1, B equal to 0. So after 10 nanosecond, change the output response. So display A equal to percentage of B, B equal to percentage of B, borrow equal to percentage of B, difference equal to percentage of B, A comma B comma borrow comma difference. Then come to final input, A value 1, B value 1. So both the values are 1, A equal to 1, B equal to 1. So after 10 nanosecond, change the output response. Display A equal to percentage of B, B equal to percentage of B, then borrow percentage of B, difference equal to percentage of B, then show the output A comma B comma borrow comma difference. So finally end the operation. So end, then final instruction is end module. So close the module. So it's a simple program for a half subtractor test bench Verilog HDL code. So first you draw the block diagram. So after drawing the block diagram, assigning the input variables and output variables. So input variable set as register, output variable set as wire. Then write the truth table. So here A and B are the input variable. It make a 4 combinations of input and corresponding output also shown here. Then module. So module name, declare the input variable and output variable. Then HS is the module name while you writing the Verilog HDL program. So what name you mentioned that name you put it here. Then DUT represent for device under test. Then in here you send the command based on the truth table. So A value equal to 0, B value equal to 0. After 10 nanosecond, the output will be displayed on the monitor. Likewise, you give all the conditions. So finally, you close the begin statement using end statement and also end module. I hope you understand the concept very well. If you are watching first time in my video, kindly subscribe and support us to make a lot of videos. Thank you.